Hello, everybody. Hello, everyone. Gosh, okay. You know what? Let's just drop the formality, and just get into it. So, my name is TIJESUNIMI 𝐓𝐔𝐄𝐒. I'm an agro-cosmetologist. I've studied cosmetology online. I've actually learned the art of organic cosmetology through the informal means. That is let me try and explain. I don't know why let me catch my breath. Why am I why am I nervous? Okay, so like I said, my name is TIJESUNIMI 𝐓𝐔𝐄𝐒. So I've learned cosmetology officially and unofficially. And when I say unofficially, I mean by going to a professional skincare person and say, you know what, come and teach me this thing locally. So I've learned it locally, I've learned it internationally, and I want to give you guys a brief story of how I've continued in this lane. Okay, so I moved to the UK around 2020, and I didn't know I was going to stay this long. So, and I'm still here, and I'm still making cosmetics. And back in Nigeria, I want a scholarship to learn skincare and under a particular big brand. And I didn't really stay too long because apparently the leader of the skincare brand she didn't want to teach me some intrinsic part of the business. So she was very hostile to me, and I had to leave. And then after that, I studied cosmetology online. Then after that, I learned the art of soap making from another person in online and in Lagos. And also after that, I went to an organic cosmetologist and said, hey, can you teach me this thing? And then I sat down and I learned it for months. And coupled with the fact that I've read online, I've learned locally, and I'm still learning, I've learned online, internationally. I don't want to call myself a self-taught cosmetologist, but yes, that's why I call myself an agro-cosmetologist, because I studied agriculture in school. And then I was also, the interesting part of this thing is, I studied botany before studying agriculture. So this kind of gave me a leverage into knowing, and also I did chemistry. And so I've come to really understand the botany and the chemistry of cosmetology. And that is why mine is different. I learned organics, I learned premixing, I've learned the in and out of making cosmetics that will work for your skin. So of course I have a personal YouTube channel, which is TIJESUNIMI 𝐓𝐔𝐄𝐒, but this channel is TK's Agro Cosmetics. This is strictly recipes, professional skincare recipes made easy for you, and herbal skincare recipes. And I also deal with body enhancement. What do I mean by body enhancement? Organic, how you can grow your body organically, especially your boobs, your hips and your butts. Don't worry, we're going to get there. And then I have ebooks. In the long run, I'm going to bring out my ebooks and I'm going to give out freebies. But this particular channel is strictly for recipes. I'm going to give you recipes that work. Well, that's why I call it professional skincare recipes. So most of them are my formulations. Most of them are things that I've learned over time, that I've seen that work, because I ran a skincare brand which was called TK's Agro Cosmetics in Nigeria for months. Did I say months? Sorry, years. And I have reviews to back it up. That my skincare products work tremendously. It works miracles. I've had people with hopeless conditions come to meet me, and their skin got miraculously repaired. And just name it, pimples, stretch marks, age spots, just name it. I am there for you. TK's Agro Cosmetics will provide you that. So now, why am I doing a YouTube channel solely for recipes? The reason is because several of my clients have told me that they want to learn how to make their skincare products themselves, because they don't trust so many organic cosmetologists that are out there now, because of what people just mix into. Because the thing is, some people just say, you know what, I want to learn organics. I want to be a skincare person, blah blah blah, and then I go learn for 3 months, and then they say mix this together. I am not like that. I studied the rudiments of skincare. I studied the rudiments of cosmetology. I have studied internationally and locally. I've taught myself. I've done trial and error. I've seen the ones that work. I've seen the ones that don't work. I have years of experience in customer relationship management. And guess what? I actually studied customer relationship management after studying agricultural economics. So I am your best bet. I am going to teach you how to make different products, a very wide range of products. From the black soap, the African black soap that works, different types. Talk about the glow black soap, whitening, brightening, difference between lightening and toning. I know different people have been asking, what's the difference between lightening, toning, and bleaching? I know I've done a video concerning that before, but don't worry, I'm going to still explain further. So how to make the African black soap. Now ask me, how did I get the recipes here in the United Kingdom when most of the recipes that I was taught locally were in Nigeria? Now that is why, if you are a skincare person and you want to leave Nigeria, or you've left Nigeria and you're like, how do I continue my business? I am your best bet. I have the secret here. I didn't have to order many of my recipes. I didn't have to order them from Nigeria. I got them here, and some were locally made by me. Just stay tuned. I have the solution for you to continue running your skincare brand. Did I say skincare brand? For you to continue running your skincare brand here in the United Kingdom or US or wherever you may find yourself. From the things we eat, many are from natural things that we eat. Many, but don't worry, these are things that we use. Some of them are even things that we don't know that we can use to substitute the ingredients we're taught in Nigeria, that okay, why not put this inside this? You don't know that if you don't have this, you can do this. Why is it called essential oil? Okay, if I don't get this essential oil, what kind of oil can I use that will give me the same result as that oil? Let me bring it down a bit. If I don't get this particular serum, we use serums a lot, we use powders a lot, we use organic powders. If I don't get this particular serum, how can I make a cosmetic for another customer that will give me the same result as the pro-mixed one? That's why I told you I did not learn just pro-mixing. I learned organic cosmetology, I learned pro-mixing, I learned the advanced skincare, I learned advanced pro-mixing, I learned mulatto, name it, Russian, half-caste, Snow White. I've learned everything, and I have the recipes, and I have my own TKs, organically formulated, originally formulated recipes, and I'm going to spill everything out here. Yes, I'm going to give it to you as they come. Of course, there are going to be courses that for people that want to go want to come under my mentorship. There are going to be courses, in the nearest future, about if you want to be a direct mentee of TK's Agro-Cosmetics, if you want to have access to the inner course, inside of what we are doing in this skincare business. It is something that, let me explain. Skincare business, although a lot of people do it, but according to research, like I told you, I am when it comes to cosmetics, I have studied. So you can call me an academician of cosmetics or skincare. It's fine. I have studied it, and according to research, I found out that after food, cosmetics is next in the whole of the world. It's in the after food. That's the truth. That means everybody wants to look good. Everybody wants to look good, no matter your religion, no matter where you're from, in Africa, Asia, Europe, North America, South America. Just name the continent you're from. Everybody wants to look good. It affects our self-esteem. Well, I talk about the body and the mind on my own personal channel. That is TIJESUNIMI Olakojo, which I'm not going to be doing most of them here. That's why you do well to subscribe to that one too, if you really want to know the nitty-gritty of how your mind, body, and skin works. How everything works together, how you can be all. That's what TIJESUNIMI Olakojo will give to you. But this is TK's Agro-Cosmetics, and I'm going to teach you how to make this organic organic products, skincare products, the scrubs, the serums, the oils. You are in the United Kingdom, you're in the United States, you're in Australia, you're in Canada, and you were in skincare business before, and you are like, oh my goodness, I learned this, I have this business, how do I move to this place, how do I get, I have found the secret. I found the secret, but you need to just subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to teach you now. Take a scrub. I'm going to teach you scrubbing. I call myself the queen of scrubs because I don't know how many scrubs I have. Oh my goodness. Trust me. I'm going to teach you different types of scrubs that were made here, that I didn't have to go to Nigeria to get any ingredients for. Of course, there are some ingredients in Nigeria, there are some ingredients in Africa, there are some ingredients in Cameroon, there are some ingredients in Philippines, in Italy. I know. And you know what? And Dubai. And funny enough, I have access to them. And I'm going to teach you how you can mix everything together to give you the same result. If, for example, now, if I want to make skincare stretch mark scrub, and then I have my boss or the person that taught me the local organic cosmetics said mix this particular scrub with this particular sugar, and okay, what if that scrub is not in the UK and I want to sell to someone that has stretch marks? What do I do? That is where I come in. That is where I am your skincare mentor. That is where I come in to tell you that you don't necessarily have to get stuck to one product. You can, there are compositions. That product has compositions. Now, what was used to make that product? What are the ingredients on that product? Why did they use that ingredient? And funny enough, now another thing you have to know is that it is not everything in a product that they write on the product. It is not everything in a product that they write on the product. That is one secret skincare people will not tell you, even companies. So when you see Perfect White and you see another Perfect Clear, or you see Bio Clear, and then you read what is written on it, don't be fooled. It might not be everything that is inside, or it might not be everything that is inside that they listed on the label. So how do they work together? What do you understand by AHAs, BHAs? How do they work? Retinol, alpha hydroxy acid, anti-aging schemes, secrets to anti-aging, and funny, the good thing about you subscribing to this channel and staying glued to me is that it is not all about cosmetics. It has to do with your nutrition. It has to do with your way of life. Is your skin healthy? That is what we are trying to get you to have. A healthy skin. Not a bleached skin. Not a skin that is using Russian white and is pale. I'm getting you to have a healthy skin. And it is not only about cosmetics. I'm going to teach you scrubs, cream, soaps, different type of soaps. I'm the soap queen. I learned soap making for about several months. So I have first-hand information, and I've put my hands to work. I have them. I could show you in this video. I can show you. I just hope I show you in the video. I have reviews from clients. I have miracles. But what about having a healthy skin? How to maintain a healthy skin? So that is why, in short, you need to just subscribe to this channel, because I am going to be breaking a lot of bottles. Shaking a lot of tables. I'm going to be breaking a lot of jinx. We're going to be dismantling some ideas that we had from Nigeria, quote and unquote, from our local teachers. I know that the local teachers are trying, but all these groups where you have to register for skincare recipes and all, and then you mix this together because what if you're mixing? It is not everything you mix that works. Why do you need to scrub? Why do you need to exfoliate? It is not everything you mix together. You might actually mix 5 things, the normal recipes, and then you sell to a client that has a particular thing and is expected to work and doesn't work. What do you do when the person comes back? That is where I come in. That's why I told you customer relation, everything. How do you go back to your backup formula? There's a word we call it in customer relation now. I've forgotten. You know, how do you go back to your backup formula and say, you know what, okay, you know, let's get to the nitty-gritty of this? How do you get to the nitty-gritty of the skincare of your clients, of people coming to you for solution? Business is not about making money, it's about providing solution. It is not only about I want to get profit. What solution am I providing to people? What is that thing? What is my POD? What is my point of difference? What separates me from somebody else? What do I have that nobody else has? What am I bringing to the table? Because you know what, we have lots of skincare people outside, skincare people selling skincare products, people that train locally, people that they just read in a book and then they started a skincare brand. What is going to be different about your own skincare brand? So that's why you need to subscribe to my channel. Okay. So guys, it is not all about getting a light skin. It's good if you can be fair, it's fine, but black is beautiful. Being light is fine. Being a Barbie is cool, depending on you. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification bell. Yeah, because what? You are in for great recipes. And you know what? If you want to start a good skincare brand, this is your best bet. I am going to teach you the rudiments of skincare. I'm going to teach you why you need to mix this together to get this. But you need to just subscribe to the channel, and you know what? Keep watching my videos as they roll. Like I said, you know what? Enough of the talks. Just subscribe and I'll see you guys. Thank you very much. I'm gonna see you in next videos. I love you. Stay organically beautiful, stay old, and stay refreshed.
Everyone deserves beauty. That is why I make it a must to utilize healthy and skin-friendly therapeutic solutions to improve and transform myself and others, men, women, and children inclusive. This pours from my unrelentless capacity to thrive amidst oppositions, to remind myself about who I am despite the odds.
So this is our trial exfoliating, whitening, lightening, brightening black soap. As you can see, it has a lot of natural ingredients like citrus, vitamin C, collagen, kojic acid, carrots, papaya, lemon, and so on and so forth. You will enjoy it. This is just, the big one is just 3,000 naira. Take two for 5,000 naira, and then you get a sanitizer free. And the small one is just 1,500 naira. As you can see, this is purely natural, purely organic, 𝐒𝐎𝐑𝐆𝐀𝐍𝐈𝐂 Cosmetics. Thank you very much. Peace.